Like, all right, cool. I got a saying, right? Having no talent is the new talent, right? So it's like that's a fact, though.
It is.
Having no talent is the new talent. I gotta throw my.
Why famous just because they views piling? We'll get all the views. Violence, stupid new challenge, whole lot of ignorant dudes on the news.
Hacking the algorithm, however you
Chicks
can.
getting booked for 2,000 because they post a nude style. And think about it, having no talent, that's the new talent. I saw a red carpet. I said, "Tell me what you do." She said, "I'm pretty. I pierce my clit, my belly button too. I twerk for the gram. My videos get a hella bunch of views." That's very cool, but tell me what you do. It's disgusting. Hoes winning be the image they pumping. Getting famous or famous they. But it's the fault they getting caught. End of discussion. You can't blame the hoes. At the end of the day, them just hustling, man. That was just quick something, but like that's the real shit. So when you're not consistent, but when you're not consistent and you be like, oh, I'm better than this person or better than that person.
Let me ask you a question.
No,
Let me ask you a question.
Right, she's guest host today. I forgot.
What's the problem?
As far as what? I like the way you said that too, like confrontational.
Yes, I like it.
It's about to be a battle.
What's the problem?
Mook, be good.
No, I would. What do you mean? I'm from Harlem.
No, I'm saying, but what's the problem?
That nothing. I ain't have a problem with none of that. I just report the news.
Okay, but you just freestyling.
I just having no talent.
But
the
do you
new
believe
talent.
it?
As having no talent is the new talent?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but is it a problem?
All right, so you can tell that she was triggered. That's why she kept interrupting. Like, come on, man, this man is freestyling. Just chill, hang back for a second, let him get it off his chest, and then you can go. What are your thoughts on Amber Rose, right?
Yes.
Amber Rose, yeah. Miss Amber Rose.
I can't really put a thought together for it. Because I'm trying to comment on her, and it's just irrelevant. It just seems trashy. Like you said, she seems triggered. And
do you think having no talent is a new talent? Do you think that what he was saying was true, or is there some truth to what he was saying?
yeah, I actually do think there is some truth to what he was saying. Because there has been videos that's gone viral over like what he said, doing these crazy challenges, females out here half naked, dancing provocatively, and they are actually getting those, what is it, thousands, hundreds of thousands of views,
making a living off of basically selling their body. And that's the reason why I believe that she's triggered, man. When the issue is when people start to call them out, just call a spade a spade. Is this not true? Is not having any talent the new talent? Anything that he said, was anything that he said false? I think, again, if you check, you look at social media, most of those people that were going viral, again, just doing those challenges and stuff like that, that doesn't require any skill. Showing your body off to the world, that's no skill at all. You're pretty much just selling your body. I'm not gonna use the other word for it, but we're gonna go ahead and let the rest of the clip play.
That was just one aspect.
But I just feel like guys should not just never talk about women.
As far as
everything. Like, it should never be a conversation.
You said talk about them?
Yeah, like, as far as, like, okay, let's say, like, me, Kim Kardashian, Jada, Ari. Like, it should never be a conversation amongst men, because it's like, you have to then blame the consumer, right? Because these girls, us, are, like, known as, like, not having talent, but, like, we make a lot of money.
Well, no, I don't even, you just showed me you was talented, so that's kind of like...
Yeah. No, I get it, right? But, like, so let's say,
like... this discussion. Keep it respectful.
It's a good discussion.
Everything respectful.
No, it's respect. It's always respect. It's always respect, right?
But this is why it should be a conversation.
It's a conversation.
It should be.
I just feel like when it comes to men, right?
Yeah.
And it's like hoes and all that, right? But, like, y'all stick y'all everything, but then you call us hoes for the consumer loving us.
Calling chicks hoes?
Yeah, you just did.
No. I'm
you did in your
reporting
freestyle.
on, no. No.
No, you did in your freestyle.
What I'm saying is hoes is what they, right? That's what they say, hoes. You just said hoes, right?
No, you said that.
Right, but that's not from me.
He was saying it from a different
I'm saying it
POV.
from...
That was the rhyme that was saying it from a different POV.
I said on the news, right? That was the beginning of the... I forgot what I said, too. It was like, I said something about the news, right? You see something on the news wilding, like a new challenge on the news. Everything, this was being reported. This is not from me.
Do you believe that girls that are on and popping, or like if they're somebody and they get on and popping, are they hoes?
Yep.
Hell, no. Ain't no hoes to me. I'm a hoe. What do you mean? Everybody's a hoe, right?
Oh, wow. It got weird. Wait,
we all hoe for something.
No,
These
I appreciate
words,
that.
right?
No,
These
I
are words,
appreciate
right?
that. But like,
So
what I guess what I'm trying to say is like, those are derogatory labels, right? So like,
Man, listen, I'm just gonna jump right into this. I mean, come on, fam. We call a spade, and if you built your entire career off of sleeping with guys, you know, going on magazines, interviews, and most of what you are speaking and talking about is about sex, then I mean, come on, man. Yeah, they're gonna put you in a whole category. What are you so upset about? Again, y'all been able to make money, make a career off of this thing, and then to say that she don't think that men should be able to speak and talk about women. Let me break this down, right? Women are supposed to always be protected, but hoes, you get no protection. When you put yourself out there like that, then no, you free game, you for the streets. Like, we're gonna treat you as such. Women are protected, hoes are not protected. Again, two different people, two different categories, and we are not going to mix the two. It don't work like that. All right, you can't have your cake and eat it too, man. I don't know what the heck she was thinking about. Like, I don't think that men should have it's an opinion, right?
Everyone has one.
Like, you gonna try to stop somebody from having an opinion about you, especially when you've been putting up, like, that's the only thing that you honestly put out there. The only thing they had, like, what was it called? The walk? Isn't she the person that started the, like, ma'am, what do you mean? And you expect me not to have an opinion about you? Like, hey, you can feel how you want to feel at the end of the day, but you can't stop me from having an opinion. The issue that I have with this gentleman is, the guy, and yes, I'm talking about how I need to hold him accountable. Fam, no, stand on what you just said. Like, no, she did not show you any type of talent at all. I'm gonna have to rewind this doggone clip. What talent did she show you just now? Like, come on, man. No, stand on your doggone square, man. Call a spade a spade. Like, ma'am, you have been showing, you know, some hoish like ways, and I'm just calling it as I see it. And then listen, he wasn't even talking about her specifically. This is how you can tell that she was triggered. She was triggered by what he was saying. That's why you kept hearing period. Hold on, wait a minute. Like, shh. Good grief, a hit dog is going to holler every time. Every time, man. Yeah. Did you want to go real quick, or? I had to get that off my chest, cause it's crazy. Like, I see it too often, man. Too many dudes out here. Like, bro, no, call her out and stand on that, because not one thing that you said was false. And when she look at her life, it's a reflection of that.
The news.
okay, but you just freestyling.
I just, having no talent,
But
the
do you
new
believe
talent.
it?
As having no talent is the new talent?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but is it a problem?
Is it a problem?
Yeah. Like, do you feel some type of way?
No, it's because I don't got nothing to do with me. It's just what I see.
Do we make some noise for
Yeah,
that?
but no, but I'm saying like,
Hold on, no.
If you think about it, right, it's a talent in itself, though. If having no talent is a talent, that's some talent. Now you're talented. Like, you talented at not being talented.
That
It's
became a talent. Right.
That became a talent.
but like,
It's
who do you
looking in the
blame
mirror.
for that?
Blame?
That's
Yeah.
society's thing.
Like, who do you blame for that? Like, is it the girl's problem or is it the consumer?
Oh, but it's the niggas they getting caught. End of discussion. It's not even just about
It's the
females,
consumer.
guys. That was just the woman thing that I used. That was just one aspect.
But I
of
just feel like guys should not, like, just never talk about women.
As far as
everything.
Wow, man. Oh my goodness, boy. Good grief, boy. Oh my. You wanna go ahead and what's the name before I give my closing thoughts on this?
I don't have. Well, I wouldn't say I don't have any closing thoughts, but the part that I want to point out is she's not even taking accountability, because she's like, who is to blame? Who is to blame? Is it this? Is it the people? Is it the... It's you.
Right.
You made these decisions. You a grown woman. Yes. I mean, but you a grown female, and you could develop a talent, an actual talent that can get you some money versus
a respectful one.
Yes, a respectful talent that can, give you the lifestyle that you want to achieve versus just. I almost feel like some of those ways are like the easiest way out of not using, basically having, not using your brain, basically not having no talent, just flaunting and showing it all off and stuff like that. Like I don't know. Then I'm about to go into you're degrading your value of who you are and stuff like that. So.
That's a fact. No, that's a fact. Yeah, absolutely, man. But as in the blaming. One thing that he said, I'm gonna point this out. One thing that he was like, listen, I'm just reporting at the end of the day. All right, this is not me complaining, because he was like, who are we? Like, I'm not blaming it. I'm just reporting what I see, and what I have seen is having no talent is the new talent. He also spoke about people that are doing challenges, and he was like, a young lady came up to me. It was just one situation, and she just chose to focus on it. Again, man, in her feelings, because when she look at her lifestyle, and she knows if you live a different type of lifestyle where it's not respectful, where it's not respectable, then 10 times out of 10, a lot of people are going to look at you as some of the things that he talked about or said while he was giving his rap, which is a hoe. I'm not gonna say all the rest of the words or whatever that happened a little bit later on in the interview, but yeah, you can't be out here and be in the public eye doing hoe-ish and think that people are still going to respect you. Life does not work that way. Like, maybe in that little bubble, again, it's unfortunate that you still had this guy that was kind of backpedaling or whatever. Like, I got so much respect for people that just stand on their square and like, these are just my own personal beliefs. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to call you out of your name. You know what I mean? If I'm speaking directly to you. Now, the situation at hand, he was just speaking in general about, certain people being whores or whatever. Again, if you're displaying this type of behavior, then I don't know them personally. So I'm just going to speak about it. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think in the comments about this, man? All right, until the next time. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was they roll.